Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well और मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ इस सेशन में। आज हम ये जानेंगे कि how we have to prepare for SEBI Grade A examination, specifically for the paper of Finance and Management. So before starting with the topic and the syllabus for Finance and Management, let me introduce you to with the Olive Board course, which is being a crash course and it is already being live. We are going to provide you a 60 plus revision videos, okay, for making your preparation more productive and more efficient. 60 plus revision videos with 50 plus MCQ sessions plus 100 recorded videos for phase 1 and phase 2 with notes and mock test. ये आपका course which is you can check it with the Olive Board website, or you can download the app, Olive Board website or the app, okay, Olive Board app. Now, as we all know that the notification is out and we have a very short period of time for the preparation or the for basically for the revision, so we have to be very strategic when we are talking about the revision for all the subjects, right? Because we have a innumerous amount of subjects, and especially I will not say that it is very important for the non-commerce or from the commerce background student, because we have seen that the data from the past many years that even the non-commerce background students are scoring well in SEBI grade A examination. So you don't need to worry about it, that if you are not from a commerce non-commerce background, you are not able to have an effective and efficient learning, or you will be somewhere or the other lag from them. आपको बस एक सही डायरेक्शन और एक सही प्रिपरेशन की ज़रूरत है. ओके, सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट हाउ वी हैव टू start preparing for management as well as finance. Let's see the components and the topics which are there in the syllabus of management. So if you are preparing for SEBI grade A examination and RBI examination, I hope that you all know that almost the syllabus for management and SEBI and management is same for RBI as well as SEBI examination. As we have seen that in SEBI examination, management is somewhere or the other is simple in comparison to RBI examination. Don't take an offense for RBI as aspirants that I am saying that, or SEBI aspirant I am saying that, because the content shows that. Okay, so talking about the content, the basics, you have to start from the very basic one, the management natures and scope, then management process, the basic functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. In the first chapter, we are in the introduction session, we are going to discuss all these aspects. The role of manager, a very important topic, the role of manager in an organization. Leadership is one of the most important topic. You can definitely expect lot of questions from leadership in the MCQs. Okay, definitely you are going to get questions from leadership. Human resource development, HRD and goals of HRD. Talking about motivation, you can expect questions from morale and incentive, theories of motivation, how managers motivate. It is a very important topic. How managers motivate, concepts of morale, factors determining morale, role of incentives in building up morale. Now remember this, if you are preparing for RBI as well as for SEBI, it would be very easy for you because almost the syllabus is same. You just need to practice more question in association with what type of questions are there in the SEBI examination. For that, you can refer to the PYQs. Okay, according to the PYQs, you can change a little strategy in regards to the SEBI examination preparation. Okay, clear with this? So in communication, there are some topic steps of communication process, communication channels, oral versus written communication. So basically this is what your syllabus is in association with management. As you can see that syllabus is very confined and they have given a very simple concept. If you are going to give at least 15 days, 1 hour to 2 hour for your MCQ, following MCQs plus your revision, then definitely you are ready for the SEBI grade A examination for the management section. Okay, we are talking about the revision thing. Definitely in this time span we can only concentrate on the revision. If you haven't started your preparation yet, you have to increase this lot. 15 days time is more than enough. You have to increase this lot if you haven't touched management yet. Okay, so you have to increase it to 2 to 3 hours, because there are some topic which will take some time, especially the theories, because you can see from the last previous year questions that now the type of questions which is being asked in SEBI examination are not the direct question. They are asking you an application based question. So definitely you have to work on that area, and for understanding that you have to regularly practice the PYQs, okay, and lot of MCQs. Practice lot of MCQs. That will be the best to score a proper amount of marks in the management section. Talking about management plus finance, the secondary is finance. Now how we are going to move towards finance? As we all know that, talking about the syllabus is almost the same for SEBI and RBI examination. So we can expect the RBI notification very soon as well. So people who are preparing for both the examination, definitely they know that syllabus are almost same for management and finance. Let's see what we have to concentrate more on finance in consideration with SEBI grade A examination. You have to focus on this area: primary and secondary markets, the forex, bonds, equity, etc., the function, instruments, and the recent developments, basics of derivatives. You have to concentrate more on this section. Okay, when we are talking about revision, prioritize the revision of these section, because you 100% this area of concern will give you a lot of questions in the examination. Okay, talking about the other topics, the regulatory bodies, you have to have a basic understanding of the four major regulatory bodies. Especially you have to concentrate on RBI and SEBI when we are talking about both the examination. Even in SEBI you are going to expect questions in association with RBI regulatory body as well. Beside that, the quasi regulatory bodies like National Housing Bank, Exim Bank, PFRDA, all those aspects you have to take into consideration. The concept, the regulatory functions and things association with the regulatory under the finance sector. Okay, now we have talked about role and function of regulatory bodies, and the most important topic from where you can expect lot of questions, right? Now, recent development in the finance sector is very important. It is associated with current affairs. For current affairs, we are going to see that what we have to pick up for the core revision. Okay, financial inclusion, a very important topic. 100% you can expect questions from here, and this is also a current affair topic. Alternate source of finance, a basic topic. You just need to remember lot of small things. Then there are direct and indirect taxes in association with, when we are going to revise the fiscal policy chapter, in that we are going to complete the whole component in association with FRBM Act, direct indirect tax, other alternative source of revenue for the government, and Finance Commission fiscal policy. The recent Finance Commission, which is like locked up for 5 years, you just need to concentrate on the Finance Commission topics there from there as well. So it is somewhere or the other associated with current affairs, but the major core areas where you need to concentrate more in association with the current affairs are the recent development and financial inclusion. Okay, in this particular topic, when we are talking about SEBI grade A examination, it is very important to understand that don't expect direct questions from inflation. See, inflation is a topic in association with economics, right? But when we are talking about finance, you have to concentrate more on these topics which are highlighted. Otherwise, if you have lot of time for the revision, you have to definitely go through inflation as well. Definitely you can expect one question or no question from inflation, specifically in the area of finance. So talking about the finance and management topics, the core topics are not like that. Only the commerce background student are able to crack the paper. Definitely anyone who is going to give at least 25 days time, even 25 days time for proper revision, they can able to have a better knowledge, better understanding of these two components. 25 days core revision plus MCQ practice and previous year questions. These are the things which you need to take into consideration for the preparation of finance and management. As we all know that it is one of the most scoring subject for both the examination. So I can make you understand that management is a very static subject. You are not going to associate current affairs with management. So definitely you know that this is the question, this is the syllabus, we need to just concentrate on this much and you are going to get the output in a better manner. You just need to focus on MCQs and previous year questions for more and more practice. Okay, talking about finance, finance is the subject which is somewhere or the other associated with static as well as current affairs. So for current affairs, what you have to keep in mind that you have to take into consideration the GST updates, whatever the updates, whatever the things are taken into consideration in the GST list, you need to have an idea in association with that. At least 4 to 6 months of general awareness, you should have that general awareness understanding for at least 4 to 6 months. That is all you can do at the time of revision. Okay, the recent union budget, the last union budget from your examination date, RBI notifications are very important for SEBI as well as RBI examinations plus SEBI circulars. You can expect the current affairs questions in association finance from the SEBI circular. They are very important components. So definitely these are the things you need to keep in mind while preparing the current affairs for the SEBI. That is what you have to do. You have to make a strategy for the 25 days for the revision, core revision for management and finance. At least dedicate 3 to 4 hours separately if you are a newcomer, and if you are doing revision, 2 hours is more than enough individually, right? 1 hour for management and 1 hour for finance is more than enough with PYQs and MCQ practice. Okay, that is what you have to do. You have to be very strategic. You have to make a time management work, right? Because there is no only finance and management where you have to concentrate. There are a lot more other subjects as well. So make a timetable, make a pre-planned day, and then only you can able to crack the best. And definitely my well wishes are with you. Thank you very much.